longest ocean? A, E, M, T, A, N, E, M, A, N, A, T, E, E, manatee. F, F, I, U, P, N, P, U, F, F, I, N, puffin. K, L, R, I, L, K, R, I, L, L, krill. S, A, E, E, Y, R, L, G, G, R, E, Y, S, E, A, L, gray seal. O, E, G, N, P, S, S, P, O, N, G, E, sponge. I, F, S, H, L, F, W, O, W, O, L, F, F, I, S, H, wolffish. E, E, P, R, A, H, C, S, S, E, A, P, E, R, C, H, sea perch. S, H, A, R, K, S, H, A, R, K, shark. O, T, C, O, P, U, S, O, C, T, O, P, U, S, octopus. The saltiest part of the ocean is the Atlantic. The longest mountain range, called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, is in the Atlantic Ocean. The reef octopus makes an umbrella-shaped net with its arm to catch animals to eat. It changes color to match its surroundings. The manatee can live in both rivers and the ocean. Great white sharks are the biggest meat-eating fish. They might look scary, but they don't like to eat people. Puffins can swim underwater and can fly through the air. It can carry as many as 30 fish at a time to feed its babies. Spotted dolphins live in groups called pods. There are many species of dolphins in the world. Horseshoe crab has a shell shaped like a horseshoe, and it has blue blood. Antarctic krill is an important food source for whales, seals, ice fish, and penguins. Krills eat tiny plants and animals called planktons. Gray seals are born white. They can hold their breath for 20 minutes. The yellow tube sponge is an animal that lives in the shallow waters of the Caribbean Sea. Water flows through a sponge that brings in food and carries out waste. Happy learning! Wolffish. Clownfish. Surgeonfish. Octopus. Sea perch.
Butterfly fish.
Dolphin. Tuna. Puffin. Manatee. Shark. Gray seal.
Penguin.
Walrus. Clownfish. Beluga. Octopus. Krill. manatee.